Hey guys, it's Oliver and welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today I am restocking my shop. I know I did this on Wednesday, but that was a mini restock. There are some discounted Easter slimes on my shop. They will be put up today along with the rest of the restock slimes, and I'll show you them in this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave a like or a comment. Also, I am going to Maddie Ray's Slime Bash. The tickets are currently sold out. It's in Stamford, Connecticut, but if you would like to come, if you're 18 and over, you can apply to be a volunteer and you get 2 tickets to Slime Bash. I'm pretty sure it's you, the volunteer, and 1 for your kid or one of your friends. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to this slimy video. So the first one is called Nerd Rope, and just so you guys know, there are stickers on all of my slimes. Just in the video, there might not be stickers on all of them. So this one's called Nerd Rope. This is a sort of new bestseller now. It is a really thick, clear-based slime. It's like red pigmented. It is a little bit jiggly, but it has amazing flocks from the jiggle. It's a fishbowl. It's a half fishbowl. It has some little hearts and jumbo mini pearls, and some of them have these little diamonds in them. It also has assorted jumbo rainbow foam beads, and it smells like vanilla. It's one of the most random slimes ever, but it's one of my best sellers, and I definitely recommend it because it's so nice, and I just love it. So this next one is called Watermelon Taffy 2.0. It is the second version of my popular watermelon taffy slime that I've never brought back to the shop for a while, so I just thought it needs a reboot. It wasn't doing well when I brought it back the last time, so I thought, why not give it a reboot? It was one of my best sellers, but it stopped selling well, and I just thought it needed a new look. So it is a glossy, dark pink to light red base. It has black foam beads on the bottom. I wanted to have glitter, but I currently didn't have any like black glitter that would work as watermelon seeds, so I didn't do that. This slime will be upside down when you receive it, so the foam beads are on the bottom. It is a semi-thick. It's not that loose, but I kept it a little loose because I just wanted it to be more thwacky. It's really thwacky. It's semi-jiggly. It holds a lot of bubbles. Like so many bubbles. It has such amazing bubble pops, and it is unscented just because I don't have a watermelon scent, and I was gonna scent it like a sour berry scent, but I didn't think that you guys would like that, so yeah. So the next slime is cinnamon apple butter. I have been bringing this back for the past few weeks, and it's been really popular. It smells just like apple butter and apple cider. It smells so nice. It is a super glossy clay slime. As you can see, it's super moldable and super thwacky, and it does hold a lot of bubbles. It does have some red foam beads for like the cinnamon, and yeah, I definitely recommend this. It's sort of like a bestseller now, so yeah. So, everyone, here is it, the moment you have been waiting for. The new texture coming to my shop. The new texture coming to the slime community. The Sugar Fluff. This slime is called Whipped Cream, and it is a Sugar Fluff slime. If you are confused what a Sugar Fluff slime is, I invented it. Yeah, that's right. So, it's a Sugar Fluff slime is a fluffy slime. It's not a fluffy slime, but the texture is really fluffy. It has a lot of bubbles at the top. It's a super smooth, silky, and velvety texture. It's super thick and super glossy. The reason I named it a Sugar Fluff because it has these things in it that, I'm not going to say the ingredients, that make it look like it has real sugar in it, and like it feels like it kind of has sugar in it. And it's super moldable and holds a lot of bubbles, and it's super smooth and silky. And this, if you can only buy one thing, definitely buy this. It's also scented like warm vanilla. This slime is another oldie I'm bringing back. It's called Pink Posh Cake Pop. This did really well when I first introduced it, and I've never brought it back, so I decided, why not bring it back? So it has a really bubbly top to it with some dark purple beads. It has a super light pink base. It's super thick and super glossy. It also smells just like coffee cake pops. If you've ever had one of those, it smells so good, just like, I don't know, cake. And I definitely recommend this one. I know I recommend all of them, but that's just because they're also amazing. The smell is also so nice. Like, actually, I could just sit here and play with this for so long because the smell is so nice. Okay, so this next one is called the Slime Lab Official Slime. It is a thicky slime. All the beads rise so far to the top. They came on the container, and I love doing this. So this is my personal one. All of them are. I just wanted to clear that up. Yeah, it has jumbo blue beads, jumbo purple beads, jumbo yellow beads, small blue beads, and small green beads. And it is a purple thicky base, and it just reminds me of the logo colors for my logo, and that's why it's called the Slime Lab Official Slime. I was originally going to name it the Slime Lab Thick, but I thought the Slime Lab Official Slime would suit it better. So it has a crunch when you stretch it from the beads. It is a super stretchy slime. It's super thick and super glossy. It has an elasticy texture. It's super thwacky like thickies. And it smells just like orange creamsicle, which I love the scent. It's my favorite scent, so that's why I scented it like this. It also holds a lot of bubbles. So this next one is called Shamrock Shake. This was originally a limited edition St. Patrick's Day slime, but since it did so well, it's now my permanent bestseller collection. Sorry. This slime is so glossy. It has super amazing crunch because it has jumbo white foam beads. It is super thick and super glossy. It smells just like the actual Shamrock Shake, and I don't know why it's going everywhere in this clip, but usually it doesn't. It's super thwacky and has a super thick base. It's light green, just like the actual shake, and yeah, the scent is just heavenly. This next slime is called Maria's Strawberry Smoothie, and it is a half snow fizz slime. So it is a super thick and glossy slime with a little bit of the fake snow stuff, not the instant snow, but fake snow. It has red foam beads to represent strawberry chunks in the smoothie. It smells like vanilla because I don't have a strawberry scent, and I don't know, it just smells really nice, and I feel like it goes with the color of the slime. It's a super thick and glossy base, super thwacky, one of the thwackiest slimes ever, and it has really amazing bubble pops. So the next slime is called Easter Cereal, and this is a limited edition Easter slime. It has a bunch of assorted different colors of foam bead. It has a super bubbly top. It is a super thick and glossy base, one of the thickest bases I've ever used in my whole life. It has a really nice soft crunch when you stretch the slime, and it has a really amazing bubble pop. So, yeah, and it smells just like pina colada. I don't know why I scented it like that. The scent just reminds me of the colors and of Easter. I don't know. But, yeah. Okay, guys, so the last slime in this restock is called Double Dark Chocolate Chunk Bar. If you're noticing that my voice sounds a little weird, like I have a lisp, it's because I got my bite plate back in. So I'm sorry, guys. The next video or two might be a little weird sounding, but I'm sorry about that. If you can't understand me, put on subtitles, because I've checked and they do work. So this one is Double Dark Chocolate Chunk. It is a super creamy and glossy and thick slime. It smells just like chocolate cake. It smells so amazing. And it has those little foam chunks in it that everyone has been looking for. It is brown and it's just super amazing. So, yeah. you guys for watching this video. There were a lot of new slimes to the shop, plus my new texture that I invented, the Sugar Fluff. If you could get any slime, definitely recommend the Sugar Fluff. So, yeah, it will be $8. Everything will be $8. Everything will be 8 ounces. And I hope to do it how I package my slime orders very soon, because I did just change it up a lot. I was having problems with bubble mailers, so I moved over to boxes for everyone's convenience. And yeah. So thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, leave a like or a comment. And don't forget to comment down below #SlimeAnator if you want me to possibly give you a shout out. I know I've been slacking on the shout outs, but next week I promise, for real this time, I will do shout outs. So again, thank you guys for watching and hope to see you at the shop. Bye!